guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. So today we are doing a makeup tutorial. I haven't done one of these in literally about a year. I'm gonna show you guys how to recreate this entire look, hair, makeup, all of that good stuff. So I saw this dress and I fell in love with it and I was like, I need to create a makeup look that goes with this dress. I didn't want anything too crazy. I want it to be super simple and easy and wearable, and that a lot of you guys can recreate. So you can literally do this with probably stuff that you have already laying in your house, or you can go to your local art store and grab these and recreate it. It's super, super easy and just fun and cute and flirty. So if you guys want to go ahead and see how to create this entire look, then keep on watching. All right, I'm not gonna lie, it's been a long time since I've sat here and done any makeup tutorial on my channel. Oh my god, it could have been at least like maybe a year. So it feels a little bit weird, but I'm really happy that I'm doing this and getting back to it. I feel like not a lot of people watch makeup tutorials anymore, so that's why I haven't been doing it, but this one is a little bit different. I'm gonna start with a clean face, already moisturized, all that good stuff. We're gonna do our eyes because there's gonna be shimmer and glitter involved and I don't want any fallouts. So this is very simple, you guys, very clean and pretty. I don't want any dark colors. Let's hope the plan sticks that way. You never know with makeup where your makeup takes you. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab a bone color. You can grab any bone color you have, and I'm just gonna grab this. It has a little bit of shimmer to it. I'm just gonna mix them together, and I'm gonna start with that bone color to shape out how I want the eye to be. What am I doing? I need to prime my eyes. That's how you know it's been a while since I filmed a makeup tutorial. And then with that color, I'm just going to carve out where I want all the shimmer and eyeshadow to go. And the reason why I do it with the bone color, so it's like much easier. You can just literally wipe it away if you mess up. I'm gonna grab like an eyeliner brush, a flat eyeliner brush, and pretend like I'm drawing an eyeliner, again with that same bone color. So I'm just carving out the shape of where I want this to be. This is really like the hardest part, if you will, and everything is super, super easy. So I'm gonna just wing it out almost to reach the tip of my eyebrow, and then I'm gonna bring it back in and connect it with the line that I just created. So I did like a rough draft, if you guys can see, of how I want the eyeshadow and eyeliner to be. Now I'm just gonna grab a Can you talk, NAGAM? I'm just gonna grab a bronzer. So any bronzer you want. I'm doing the KKW Powder Contour in number 4. Not gonna lie, I do need to clean my makeup brushes. By the way, most of these brushes that I'm using is from Alexis Jordan, and she has really, really good quality brushes. I love them. So I'm just going to bronze up a little bit right above the line that I just created, just to give it a little bit of dimension. I'm gonna grab a little bit of a darker brown, so I'm probably just gonna do a dot of this color right here, like a dab, barely. And I'm gonna put that just in the inner corner right here. I'm gonna go back in and just make sure that line is defined. And then I'm going to fill the entire area right here underneath it with that same bone shimmery color. I am using a shimmer bone color just because this area is gonna be filled with glitter, so it helps out. Now you're gonna grab some glitter, or you can grab like a pigmented shadow with glitter on it. So I'm gonna do a little bit of both. This is the Pure Out of the Blue, and there's this really pretty like whitish with blue tint glitter on there. So it's a pretty thick pigment. So I'm just gonna start with that and then see from there how it looks. And I'm just gonna build that. It is a little bit of a sticky consistency, so this is why I like it. And just put it on top of everywhere that I placed that bone color. You can also get like glitter glue and then get your favorite glitter and do that. You can literally use anything you would like. Since this is silver, I'm gonna keep it with like the silvers and whites and blues. Okay, now I'm gonna grab the Jaclyn Hill palette in Amber and Gorgeous. It has this beautiful white eyeshadow, and I'm going to put that on top of the glitter shadow that I just put. So I'm gonna start first with the inner corner because it is very pigmented and white, so I don't want it all to be like Snow White. And then with the same eyeliner brush that I used to put the glitter on, I'm just going to define that line that I just created even more with the same white eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna grab some rhinestones. I got this online, I don't remember from where exactly, but you could just Google nail silver rhinestones and you'll find a bunch of these, and it has different sizes. I'm just gonna play around with the small and medium sizes and put that also on the outline of where I had my eyeliner. So I'm gonna start with a medium and put that in the I'll put it right here. I'm gonna put a small one right in the inner corner. And then I'm gonna alternate between the two. So one small, one medium. I'm gonna stop with the eyes for now and start with my base so I can finish my under eyes. I'm just gonna do concealer and foundation first. I'll leave the bronzer to later because we're gonna do a little bit of something here on the face and I don't want like the dark brown colors to mix with that. So I'll do my bronzer at the very end. So I will fast forward that. As I do my base, we're gonna fast forward through that and I'm gonna show you guys some of the other pieces that I got and try them on real quick. I need you guys to help me choose which one I should wear for Halloween. So let me show you guys a quick try on haul of these outfits.
Okay, sugar, just leave it to me.
So, which one is your favorite? Comment down below which one was your favorite so you guys can help me pick out my outfit for Halloween this year. I really like this look as well. So if you guys want to recreate this look, I will link this dress as well as all the other outfits that I tried on down below for you guys to recreate yourselves as well. But so far what I've done is I've done my base. So I just did foundation, concealer, set my under eyes. I did put mascara and a little bit of lashes on. I use the Red Cherry DW and they're very soft. You don't want anything dramatic. I've been, you guys, I don't remember the last time I wore dramatic lashes. They're not my thing anymore. So these are soft and pretty and you can still see the eyeliner look. So you don't want something that's going to eat up your entire eyeshadow look. I'm just gonna grab like a brownish smoky color. So I'm literally grabbing my brow powder duo with a little eyeliner brush and I'm just gonna put that on my under eye. I don't want it too dark. This is why I'm not going black, just to give it some definition. Like literally, this is it. You can barely see the difference, but it makes a difference. I'm not even gonna put eyeliner because like I said, I don't want to darken this look. I am gonna grab white liner. If I can find my white liner. All right, can't find my white liner, but I am gonna get the NYX Nudish. It's like an off-white liner, so this will work. And I'm just gonna put that on my waterline. And then I'm gonna grab a little bit of waterproof mascara and put that on my lower lashes. And now you guys, we are going to start with the face. So I'm gonna grab two different types of glitter. One is like a rose goldish and then the other one is silver. I can't remember where I got these. I either got them on Amazon or like a convention. This says liquid eyeshadow and the brand is USHAS. So I'm sure you guys can like Google that and find it somewhere online. I'm gonna start with the rose goldy one. I did this yesterday real quick as a test and it looked cute. So let's pray it looks cute now that I have the eyeliner look. I'm just going to get the rose goldy one and pretty much just swipe that across my face. And I'm just gonna grab my fingers and blend and press that in. Just gonna grab a sponge. This is like a little paint sponge and I'm just gonna blend it out a little bit more. And now I'm gonna grab the silver and do the same thing on top. And I'm gonna take it up to my cheekbones. I'm gonna grab the glitter that I used on my eyes and put that kind of everywhere and then drag it a little bit down, but I'm focusing mainly on like the middle area of my face. And I also grabbed a little bit of the white eyeshadow from the Jaclyn Hill palette and I put it on top everywhere to brighten it up a bit. I'm gonna grab the glitter that I used on my eyes and then put that on my neckline and on my shoulders. I'm gonna grab the white shadow and put it as a highlighter on my nose. So I'm gonna make it pretty defined highlighter on the center of my nose. And I'll put it here as well. Blend that out. I do have some glitter that I got as well. I think I'm going to put that on top, but let me just blend this a little bit more. So the key here, you guys, is to really blend it out. You don't wanna make it seem like it's all concentrated in one area. This is why I didn't wanna put bronzer on, because I knew that the colors would start blending in. So I'll do that at the very, very end if I need to. Okay, so you can definitely stop right here, or you could take it a little bit more. I mean, it is Halloween, so I am. So I brought a little bit of this glitter, and this came in like, it's not with me, but one of these like water paint face situation, and then they have the glitter with it. So I'm literally going to just dip this in a brush, just put that randomly on my face. I'm not putting any glitter glue. I'm just sticking it as is because there's already enough on my face to stick to. I think this is good enough for me. You can, if you want, put some also around your body. So I'm gonna do that just to blend it out. So I wanted to get these like temporary tattoos, the metallic tattoos, but they weren't gonna get here in time. So definitely if you guys are recreating this look, I would say it would look super cute to get the metallic temporary tattoos, and you can just put that all over your body. But I got these stickers just off of Amazon. So I'm going to place a little bit of those around my body. Maybe I'll put one on my face. We'll see how it looks. And then we'll jump onto the hair look. I think I can put a little thin one right here. I think that's cute. Little star moment right here. Let's see if we put another one here. I like the way this looks. And then I'll put some on my body. All right, we're just going all out at this point. I also have these like rhinestones. That's really easy. So I will literally take a line and put it just like a bracelet. I'm gonna have to connect the bracelet together. You guys can see what I'm doing. So I'm putting a fake bracelet on with rhinestones. So this one is here. I'm gonna connect the second one with it. And one more. I mean, if you definitely had a bracelet that would go with this, that would probably be way better. All right, so I'm gonna do my lips real quick. I'm just gonna grab like a brown liner. This is Stripped Down. I'm actually gonna fill it in with this lip liner. I'm just gonna grab the NYX in Istanbul and put that on top. This is good enough for me. No, we'll leave it matte. We'll leave it matte. Okay. Now for the hairstyle. The hairstyle is gonna be super simple. So this is like 3-day-old hair, and we're pretty much just gonna tie it in 2 nice buns right here. I already have my hair sectioned in the center. Like I said, this is 3-day-old hair, so you want your hair to be dirty a little bit. And then I do want this to be very sleek. But let me just tie this first. So I'm just going to bring this entire section as if I was tying it in a ponytail and make it as sleek as possible. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo this bracelet because it fell off. Let me see if I actually have a silver bracelet that I can wear. That'd be really cute. As I'm doing this, I'm gonna start putting some hairspray. I don't want the hairspray to be so strong since I'm still working with it though. So this is a working hairspray by Elegance. And this allows you to maneuver a little bit. Yeah, it still gives you the hold that you need. So I'm gonna tie it up in a ponytail first, just so it's easier. And then I will do the bun. Okay, and do the other side. All right, now I look like, you know what I'm talking about, the blue and red outfit. I can't remember what they're called, but that's what I look like with this hairstyle, but we're not done. So now I'm just going to twist the ponytail and make it into a bun, like so. And then I'm just gonna secure it. Might be a few bobby pins. Go. Any flyaways, you guys can just get you some hairspray and shoot these down, but it's okay if it's a little bit. So you want to try to make your buns as even as possible. This is as even as it's gonna get for me. I feel like this is more fun than that, but oh well. Okay, the last couple touches. So this dress did come with this super pretty headband. So I'm gonna put that on right here. That's just gonna bring the entire look together. I literally feel like a star moon goddess. I don't know what to call this yet, but so far this is what I have. And then some hoops. So I just got me some silver hoops. I feel like I could go to the moon right now, or I should say the stars. Alright guys, and that is it. This is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. It's a super easy look to do. Throw your hair in a bun and then you can really play around with how you want to do your eye makeup and your face makeup. As long as you got some glitter, some stars, some stickers, and some rhinestones, you are all good to go. Again, I will leave this look down below if you guys are interested in recreating it, as well as the other outfits that I've tried on earlier for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys are new here, I would love it if you can subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!